Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris, and in this video I will be making carpet freshener. If you're tuning in for the first time to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get to it. So for this carpet freshener, you're gonna need and hammer baking soda or any baking soda brand of your choice. For measuring, 1 cup. For mixing the ingredients, because I'm going to be mixing it with essential oils, you'll need a bowl. And to store the final product, I'm going to put it in this salt and pepper shaker. And if you want to know where I got this from, you can watch this entire video, and then I have a link at the end of this video to show you, that shows you where I got this. So, all right, let's mix. Oh, and then my essential oils will be lavender and peppermint. So I'm gonna put 2 cups of baking soda. Baking soda. Trying to get it in there as fast as I can. Okay, that's 1. Pour it in there. And another cup. Okay, that's another cup. Baking soda, pour it right in there. Next, try to even it out. Next, I'm going to 30 drops of lavender. 30 drops of lavender. I'm going to put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright. And 10 drops of peppermint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's coming out real fast. So I'm gonna mix it up. Alright. Pour it in there. Then what I'm gonna do is put the lid on this. And also too, if you watch this entire video, you'll also find out where I got this bowl as well. I'm gonna shake everything together. Make sure the fragrance and the baking soda is mixed evenly. Okay, shake it up. Then I'm going to check it to see how it smells. It smells real good. So now I'm going to pour the contents in here. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Wait, oh, that's the wrong. This goes here. No, this goes here. And this goes here. Alright, so let's pour the rest of this. Hope it doesn't. I need to take my time. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? See if I can do it like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna pour it in like this. Still gonna make a mess, but Yeah, it's gonna make a mess. Oh well. I'll just pour the rest. Oh. Well. Alright. Well, it filled up the whole entire container. So I'll just take... So what you can do then, instead of 2 cups, because I thought 2 cups would have been perfect amount, but you could do 1.5 cup then for your recipe. So I'll just save the rest in here. I'll just do that. Well, there you have it. This is a carpet deodorizer or carpet freshener. And so what you can do with this carpet freshener, those of you that have carpet, you know, like you would sprinkle your carpet with the deodorizer or the freshener, and you know, sprinkle your entire carpet and leave it on there for an hour, and then afterwards you would go ahead and vacuum. And when you vacuum, after you finish vacuuming everything up, it will smell, the smell will be amazing. It will just permeate the your entire house, and it will just be awesome. So can't wait to use this. And this is simple, easy, it's cost effective, it's natural, and you don't have to worry about so many harsh chemicals and stuff like that. So I hope you give this a try. Let me know down below in the comment section if you've ever done this before, ever used baking soda for your carpets, and you let me know like what your experiences was with using it. If it was, you know, good or bad. Did it ruin your vacuum cleaner? Because I've been reading about if you use too much of this, that it can ruin the filters or whatever. But let me know down in the comment section what your experiences was, and if you like my content, give me a thumbs up, and you can share with anyone who would find this content useful. And also you can also remember to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.